The following message is transmitted at the request of the Great Falls Office of Emergency Management. Shelter-in-place warning for areas within 3 miles of the International Airport. Due to an incident at the Great Falls International Airport, Great Falls Police and Emergency Management are requesting that all persons within 3 miles of the airport shelter in place. There has been an accident involving a fuel truck at the airport, which may have released harmful chemicals into the surrounding area. Fire and hazardous materials teams are on the scene and are working quickly to resolve the situation. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for updated information as the situation develops.